Hello everybody, my name is Ken Dixon and I, with German attorney Joseph Glazer, am co-author of Mieter and Vermieter, a handbook of rental law for Americans in Germany. Now, as we discussed, that book is currently available on Kindle and Kindle Unlimited on Amazon. Last video, we talked about some of the things to take into consideration with the differences between US and German rentals. And today we want to talk about some of the resources that you want to consider getting a hold of when, when renting in Germany. Now, this video series in this book, it should be stated, neither are all-encompassing sources, and it's not able to replace the need for good legal counsel. Instead, it's a means to assist you by providing an overview of your legal rights as a renter in Germany. Now, you may spend your time in the country with an easy and understanding relationship with your landlord. And if so, consider yourself fortunate and be thankful. However, the alternative is equally possible. You may find yourself with a landlord who is looking to take advantage of your naivete as an Auslander or foreigner. It may be possible that the landlord does not even have a decent understanding of German landlord-tenant law themselves. It is for these reasons that there are some additional resources that you should consider when renting in Germany, and we're going to go over 3 of those resources today. Now, the first resource is the Mieterverein. This is a legal association with the purpose of advising their tenant members and representing them in landlord-related issues. They are a local shared resource for attorney consultation, and for an annual membership fee, they can provide a number of resources such as advice via email, phone, or in person. They can respond to inquiries from your landlord. They can review contract documents, and they can review annual operating costs. In addition, they can, in certain situations, represent you in court. You should check when looking at the Mieterverein to see if they have an English-speaking attorney available if you're looking to utilize them. And you can find the Mieterverein in your area right here, as long as I get the editing right. There should be the webpage address right there. If so, good job me. Anyway, the other resource that you want to have or be able to consider should be attorney insurance. Now, this may seem a little bit redundant, but you may believe that a shared attorney resource is not right for you. Instead, you could feel more comfortable with a direct attention, or maybe your situation escalates beyond the needs that the Mieterverein can provide. If this is the case, you may want to consider having attorney insurance and selecting your own lawyer. Consider that there's a 3-month waiting period once you sign up for attorney insurance. For example, if you sign up for it at the beginning of January, the insurance will only cover your fees for instances that occur from the beginning of April onward. When reviewing attorneys, note that there is a specialized qualification for those working with landlord-tenant issues. Again, that specific name is going to be right here. And it requires the attorney have 120 cases related to landlord-tenant issues, 60 landlord-tenant cases tried in court, pass an exam, and have a test, or excuse me, have at least 3 years of experience as an attorney. It may be helpful to consider someone with this background. Additionally, legal insurance typically covers the costs of an expert witness if it's demanded by the court. Most major German insurance providers have this type of coverage available. And the third and final thing we want to talk about is German personal liability insurance. This is a little bit different from the way things operate in the United States. When we talk in the United States, we talk about, say, for example, we talk about how you want to have insurance focused on the car or on the home. This instead is insurance that is focused on the individual. So German law notes that any person who willfully or through negligence causes damage is liable to compensate for the damages. This includes injuries to life, body, health, freedom, property, or rights of others, and that's covered on BGB 823. And that's the reason for German liability or German personal liability insurance and why it's considered to really be helpful with regards to rented property and damages that go beyond normal wear and tear. Like the attorney insurance, most of the major providers in Germany offer this type of coverage. It should be noted that German liability insurance estimates the damage based on their experts. So if the landlord disagrees and chooses to take the tenant to court, the insurance will cover the court and attorney costs. That's a significant difference between US and German insurance. Therefore, when looking at insurance providers, it may be beneficial to go with the German personal liability insurance rather than the US insurance with coverage when considering these issues. So that is a couple of things that you want to consider as far as additional resources you want to have squared away when looking to move to Germany. The Mieterverein is probably should be top on your list because as soon as you sign up with them, they're going to be able to look at any German lease that you have when you're getting ready to sign or close on a place. So we hope that is helpful. Please, if you like what you see here, give us a like or give us some comments, and feel free to send any questions our way, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.